There's a shark! If you ever wonder how close these guys get to the villas, this is how close they get. It's crazy.
Hey, so we're staying at the Paradise Island Resort and Spa in Maldives, and our room is 704, and we're going to do a quick tour of the room for you.
You get a whole bunch of stuff when you get here. So there's a shower cap, sewing kit, cotton buds, there's a razor, there's a comb, there's a toothbrush, which has toothpaste in it as well. So you really don't need to bring much. This is hand cream. You get a soap as well.
They do pizza delivery here, so you don't even have to leave your room. You got a bed there. We opted for the tub versus the hot tub and pool because A, it was a lot more cost effective, and B, when you got the ocean there, you're really gonna spend your time in a tub? We aren't, at least. And the stairs take you right down into the water.
Good morning. So we're just going for breakfast right now. We booked a water villa package that includes breakfast every day while we're here, and then we can just pay out of pocket to eat lunch or dinner at any of the other 5 or 6 restaurants on the island. So we have breakfast at the Lagoon Restaurant, and it's exclusively just for the water villa guests. Oh, this is beautiful. Here's the spread for breakfast. Salads, cheeses, yogurt, bread, pastries, waffles, chocolate fondue, fresh fruit. There's an omelet station and a ton of other options.
Just like the sauce is delicious. Like the curry part.
This is the view from where we just ate, and as you can tell, it's beautiful here. After a quick nap, we decided to do some snorkeling. We kind of went snorkeling off of our villa, but there wasn't much to see and the water got really murky. So we're going to attempt to just swim over here. We saw some sharks yesterday, like little baby sharks, so we're hoping that maybe we can catch something. If swimming with sharks isn't your thing, the resort does a daily shark feeding that brings out some of the big boys. After some snorkeling, we went to the Halong Gu Bar. This is where all the action happens on the island, from nighttime entertainment to group aerobics in the morning. If you're worried about the cost of food on the island, don't be. The only thing that we found pricey was the specialty restaurants like the Japanese restaurant or the seafood restaurant. In our opinion, the Italian restaurant was the most budget-friendly restaurant. Most of the meals that we got ranged anywhere from $10 to $15. There is a small pool on the island, but we only used it once, because we have this, and this. Every day we saw ladies from the spa promoting specials for the day. Needless to say, they convinced us that we needed to be pampered.
For a flower bath.
It's up to you. What do you want?
I kind of want to do the flower bath because we do jacuzzis all the time.
Yeah, okay, we'll do the flower bath.
Okay.
And just like that, we got to experience one of the nicest spas we've ever been to. As it was our last night on the resort, we went back to the Halong Gu Bar to watch our last sunset in the Maldives. But as beautiful as the sunset was, we were here for another show.
Okay, now it is time to feed the stinger.
Ladies and gentlemen, that face right there sums up our trip to Paradise Island. Saying goodbye and checking off the Maldives off our bucket list is bittersweet, but if we ever have an opportunity to come back, we definitely will. If you found this video helpful or would like more content like this, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And remember, travel just 'cause.